What's up guys, so it's all here. From its official things to the leaked camera samples, everything is here about the new OnePlus 7 series. No bells and whistles, no bezel, no notch, no app lag, no bloatware, no $2,000 price tag, no random music. This is what's going on in the newspaper from New York Times along with the design tease of a OnePlus 7. As you can see, triple cameras are here, and yes, it won't have any notch or hole. You're just gonna see a full edge-to-edge beautiful display with dual curved edges as well. And also, this display is also the first ever OnePlus phone's display to have a support for 90Hz refresh rate. And in case you don't know what that means, so your traditional smartphone except a Razer phone all have 60Hz refresh rate display, but with 90Hz things will get buttery smooth and this will consume more power. But according to Samsung Mobile.news, the refresh rate of the OnePlus 7 Pro's display is not fixed to 90Hz. It can change between 60 and 90Hz in order to save battery power, and they are calling this new 90Hz screen as Fluid AMOLED, which is a really nice name. And if you don't know the quality of display, then I'm really excited to say that OnePlus 7 Pro's display quality would be as great as of the Samsung Galaxy S10 family. And to confirm this, DisplayMate rated A+ to OnePlus 7 Pro's display. They performed full lab test to OnePlus 7 Pro's display, and it came out with the A+ rating, which is similar to the ranking of the Galaxy S10. So in every department, OnePlus is doing amazing, and no doubt display is gonna be main selling point of the OnePlus 7 Pro. But this time they are also upgrading their camera. So you're gonna see triple camera setup on the OnePlus 7 Pro with 48 megapixel main sensor, which uses pixel binding to make a 12 megapixel photo, and along with that you get telephoto camera with 3x zoom, and there will also be an ultra wide angle camera. And here are some of the samples of the OnePlus 7 Pro camera. So you guys are the judge here. Let me know, are you guys happy with these results? And in case you don't know, here are the full specs of the Pro and non-Pro model. So that's all in this video. Let me know what you think about it, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.